Now, to remove these duplicated styles, we should create another component that's going to be the container for our cards. We'll then apply these styles to that container. So let's add a new component called game card container. Now, in this component, we're going to return a box, which is one of the primitive components in Chakra. When rendered, it returns a div, okay? Now we're going to apply those styles to this box component. So I'm going to grab them from our game card and apply them right here. We should also remove these styles from our game card skeleton. Good. So now we have a single place where we have defined the basic styles for our cards. Now we should pass a game card or a game card skeleton as a child to this component. So here we add an interface for our props. We set children to React node. Let's import it on the top. Now we should add the prop here. And finally, inside the box, we're going to render the children. Like this, okay? Now let's remove React from here. We don't need it. Good. Now back to our game grid component. We're going to wrap our game card skeleton or game card with a game card container. So right here, we add game card container and wrap the skeleton. Let me save the changes so the code is reformatted. Okay, this is the end result. We should do the same with our game card. So let's wrap it with a game card container. We could also use a shortcut. I talked about this earlier in the course. So we can select this line, then we press Shift, Command, and P on Mac or Shift, Control, P on Windows to bring up the command palette. Now we search for wrap with abbreviation. And here we type game card container. Boom, easy. Now let's test our application, refresh. Everything is working. So now let's commit our code to the repository. Here I'm going to say refactor, remove duplicated styles.